Okay, this video is going to show you how to fold down the rear seats on a 2017 Ford Fiesta. And the first thing that you want to do after opening up the rear door is walk around to the back here, pop the rear hatch. You'll see there's this little cargo cover here that we can undo. It just kind of sits in there, so we can remove that. I'll set that off to the side. And basically then, from either back here or in the front, you can press down. There's a little button on each side. On the driver's side, I can press that button down. Just fold that forward. On the driver's side, I can do the same thing here. There's a button, or sorry, the passenger side, just to the driver's side. And you'll see that basically it doesn't take very long, maybe 30 seconds or so. You can fold down the rear seats. If we come back here, you see you're able to set the cargo in there. So, all right, thanks a lot for watching.